Okay, we got the rod out of the old distributor. Here's the old one. Yeah, just kind of pressed in. Has a little ring on it that kind of keeps it in there. And we're going to attempt to stab it in that hole. I cleaned it up a little bit. I put a rag in there and cleaned the sides of it. There's the lead for the distributor. I'm not quite sure if I have to jump that somewhere for gauges. I think they're going to work, but I don't have a tack in this truck, so it shouldn't be a problem. Okay, so let's try to stab this in. Or gently put it in. No stabbing. Okay, so we know that the rotor was pointing directly to the edge of the oil filter, but when it came out, it actually was a bit pointing the other way. I hope this thing even fits. It's kind of big. Nice to see in there. Okay, so it's actually pointing that way. When it goes in, now we're a tooth off. Yep, we are a tooth off. Okay, back out. Yeah, that's close. Except it was more pointing that way. It doesn't want to go in now. I hope this thing isn't too big. Oh, it's going. Okay. All right. Oh, boy. Do not want to go in there. Okay. Well, I think it's in, but it didn't go down all the way. So, I might have to do some precise measuring. It should fit, though. Maybe it's hitting on something that I don't see. Well, in the next video we'll have this in and we'll do some wiring.